Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool unboxing to do from Orileys. Got a power and ground probe tester as well as another item which was stated in the previous video, which is the tool haul. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is just going to be the tool unboxing from Orileys. I picked up this light and sound hook probe circuit tester. It's got a long probe, point probe, a short, as well as a piercing probe. Test circuits with power on. It's like any other power and ground probe. It is item number 86273. Let's open it real quick. And we'll probably be using this one today. Okay. Audible buzzer confirms and working circuit comes with 3 interchangeable tips for a variety of testing applications. It's a Dorman conduct tight product. Information on the back: audible circuit tester with integratable tips. Tests 6 and 12 volt circuits with power on. Interchangeable tips allows tool to be used as a probe or a pierce type tester. Retains wire for perfect pierce with one hand. Hook grabs hard to reach wires. Durable insulated clip and heavy-duty cord for professional use. Spring-loaded strain relief prevents cord pull-out and damage. High-intensity glow for under hood and under dash visibility. Easy-to-hear buzzer provides quick circuit test confirmation. Instructions: test 6 and 12 volt circuits with power on, not for computer sensor circuits. Use conduct tight computer safe tester. Product number 86270. Attach appropriate tip to handle based on testing needs. Attach clip to ground. To probe component: with the probe tip attached, touch tool to the connection or component. Tester will glow and buzzer will sound if the power is present. Tester will not glow and buzzer will not sound if circuit is open or if component is defective. Release tension on probe collar. Internal spring will return tester to original position. Has a section where to pierce wire with probe collar tip attached. Push forward on probe collar. Place hook over wire and pull back on probe collar to pierce wire. Tester will glow and buzzer will sound if the power is present. Tester will not glow and buzzer will not sound if circuit is open or if component is defective. Release tension on probe collar. Unhook wire. Internal spring will return tester to original position. That's for this right here. Next one is performance tool product Whiskey 3002. It is a voltage meter for USB devices. Easy to read, dual color LED readout shows red for ampage and blue for voltage. Used to check the output voltage and ampage of a mobile charger, cables, power usage of your device, and compare the performance of USB chargers. This I will be using on all of these USB charger power packs right here. So maybe I'll do a video on that. You guys can let me know down below if you want to see that. This is just an easy pop open. It's just stapled on one side. So we're gonna do a quick. Whoa! Almost dropped you guys there. This also has a nice strain relief, spring strain relief. This one's a little easier to actuate. I'm going to bring this guy back up here. We're going to turn the jumper on, 10.9, It's 11, 10.9. I'm going to put the tester back here, and we're just going to quickly test it. I'm going to remove this. It looks like a, I don't know, a 3-foot cord, which is a lot nicer than the other one. Okay, so ground or positive to the ground. Lights up red. Ground to positive. Lights up red. Has a nice audible sound. I'd assume this has an LED in it, kind of like my OTCs. See if I can. That's nice. That's separate, so a spring actually makes contact, so you can easily remove the cable if you need to replace the cable. That's nice. Yeah, it's a couple LEDs. So we'll see how well those work. Weird. Okay. Put the spring back in. Get this back on properly. There it goes. Make sure it works just after I took it apart. No, it's not working. That's still on, yeah, it's 11 volts. Oh, come on, stop doing that. Uh-oh. There it goes. Works all good. That's going off because the battery is dead for whatever reason that drained it. So, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.